The next topic is about the test that determine the class of the input. For example, I create u as the unsigned integer 32. If I want to check the input is integer or not, I can use the is. Is one of the special command in MATLAB. It can be combined with many commands. Is can be combined with many commands. For example, is integer determine better input is an integer array. Is float determine if the input is floating point array. Or I said you before, is empty determine if the input is empty or not. Or is numeric if the input is numeric, it's a number or it is not a number. Or is a real number, or it is integer, or it is another type of. As you see here, is can be combined with many commands in MATLAB. There are many that you can determine the class or the type of input. It helps you very much in when you want to give a array from the user, or you want to create a function that take input. These help you to determine the type of input. For example, if the user give me a float number, or if the user give me integer number, or if the input is a string, or it is a character array. So there are many commands. I think the is a is a combine all of these commands in a single command. For example, is a character, is a string, is the structure. All of these are type of function or type of a variable in MATLAB. You can create double array, you can create an integer 8-bit, signed integer 8-bit, you can create character, you can create string. For checking, for determining the input, you can use it has all of these functions are collected in a single command is a. For example, numeric, if it is a numeric means it's a double, sign, integer 8-bit, or float, it's a double or single, or it's integer, integer 8-bit, integer 60, integer 32, and so on. There is some special course in MATLAB1.com about the computer error and human mistake in MATLAB programming. This data type, the floating point number, the double, another type of data type can cause some error and mistake in our program. Most of the MATLAB user doesn't pay attention to this error. Please go to MATLAB1.com and give this course. This course helps you to get familiar with this type of error and how to solve them. They are very important. You can see some example for it. For example, you write a program, a simple program in the for loop. The result is another thing. You expect that this loop will give output, but after running your code, you will see that the computer give you another output. What's the reason for this error? In this course, we will speak about it.